Endless horizons, winds that carry whispers from centuries past, and a sky so vast it feels like the roof of the world. This is Mongolia, a land of nomads, history, and wild beauty unlike anywhere else. From the frozen north to the burning sands of the Gobi, let's journey through the heart of the land of the eternal blue sky. Mongolia is one of the least densely populated countries on Earth, a place where nature rules and human footprints are few. Here, the steppe stretches for thousands of kilometers, home to wild horses, golden eagles, and ancient traditions that have survived for centuries. For Mongolians, freedom isn't just an idea, it's the way of life. For thousands of years, Mongolians have lived as nomads, moving with the seasons in search of fresh pastures. The traditional home, the gyurt or yurt, is designed to be packed, carried, and rebuilt in hours. Life is simple yet rich, guided by the rhythms of the land. Hospitality here is sacred. Strangers are welcomed as honored guests, often with a bowl of salty milk tea. South of the steppe lies the Gobi Desert, a place of extremes. Summer heat can scorch the earth, while winter brings biting winds and snow. But the Gobi is full of life, from rare wild camels to the last remaining snow leopards. It's also a paleontologist's dream. The flaming cliffs here have yielded some of the world's most important dinosaur fossils. No story of Mongolia is complete without Genghis Khan, the visionary leader who united the Mongol tribes and created the largest contiguous empire in history. From his capital at Karakoram, the Mongols ruled lands from the Pacific to Europe, reshaping the world in ways still felt today. Today, Genghis Khan is more than a historical figure. He's a national symbol of strength, unity, and resilience. Mongolia's culture is as vibrant as its landscapes. Experience the haunting beauty of throat singing, the soulful melodies of the horsehead fiddle, and the thrilling competitions of Naadam, the festival of the three manly games: wrestling, horse racing, and archery. Every note, every contest, every dance is a celebration of heritage. Mongolia sees over 250 sunny days a year, earning it the title Land of the Eternal Blue Sky. But each season tells a different story, from lush summer pastures to the icy beauty of Lake Kovsgol in winter. In a world that moves fast, Mongolia remains a place where you can still feel the pulse of the earth. Mongolia isn't just a destination, it's an experience. A place where nature, history, and humanity exist in harmony. So, would you trade the city lights for 1 billion stars? Would you ride where the horizon never ends? Like this video if Mongolia is now on your bucket list. Tell us in the comments what you'd love to experience here. Subscribe for more journeys into the world's wildest, most beautiful corners.